If you like to be surrounded by perfume, then understand and know that the world processes a lot of it. It's a huge business, and it's not slowing down. You can get in on the fun. Here at Money Moves, we show you how to have fun making money. We've got the tips for you. But before we do that, did you know that subscribers can get money too? Take just a few minutes to find out how, and then we'll get right to the video. Thanks. We're glad you're here. Check it out. We are subscriber blessers, and that's what we do. I know it's hard to believe that all you have to do is subscribe. Well, embrace it, believe it, it's true. You should subscribe because 5 subscribers are randomly chosen every week on Fridays. They are given a GoFundMe, and other subscribers simply load it up with cash. Be about it. Are you thinking there's more to it? Well, there's not. It's a real deal. We're gonna pick 5 people every week. After you've subscribed, then go to the comment box below and leave a comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blesser." After you do this, you can be chosen for the next week's Subscriber Blessers picks. You can be given a GoFundMe that will be active for 5 days for other subscribers to send you cash for any or no reason at all. It's true. And you too can give to other subscribers whenever you choose. So go ahead, go to the description box below to find the GoFundMe links for the 5 subscribers who've been chosen, and click to be a giver. And remember, if you're a subscriber, you can be next. If you're already a subscriber, you can click on our new video and simply leave us a new comment that says, "I'm a subscriber blessed." And we add you again to that amazing pool, giving you another chance to be selected. And you can do this week after week after week, over and over again. And this will go on and on and on. All you do is check in every week to see what we've got. It may be your name. You can check in every day to get info on those GoFundMes for our wonderful, awesome, lovely, intelligent subscribers. That's right. Those that are making almost all the world rich these days. That's pretty much it. That's all. Oh, the money? Well, subscribers are givers to other subscribers. You can give anything, 99 cents or $9,999 or more, because subscribers like stuff too. You know, like stuff, like shiny things, and paid tuition, and paid off mortgages, or building a yurt in the countryside. Or, for those of you who don't know what a yurt is, it's like a luxury tent. That's swag. Are subscribers deserving of this? You know the answer, of course they are. And while you're here, watch a 5-minute clip to get a few ideas about money stuff, you know? How money works, insurance, stocks, and the list goes on. That's all. No, that's really all. Really. Why not subscribe? You can just click it. Click it. Click it. That's right. Great. Now that that's all done, be sure to check your notifications for a comment reply from us to let you know you've been selected as one of the 5 people to receive GoFundMes. Keep watching for their chance to be given cash. It's great. It's nice. It just feels right. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to be a giver to your fellow subscribers. You can be selected next. And we'll post a short interview on who got the cash. Okay, that's it. That's really it. That's all. Thanks for subscribing, and keep a lookout for your name on Subscriber Blessers. Hit that bell for all the new videos coming your way. So just keep living, smiling, enjoying, and more enjoying, full of enjoyment, and you get the gist. Like we said earlier, we invite you to take 5 minutes to check out Money Moves. 5 minutes of information that we all need to hear. This is a bonus from us to you, and you can really use this. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Money Moves.
Perfume. Isn't it nice when you're walking through the mall and a person walks by, and then suddenly you smell this wonderful fragrance, like a breeze of happiness, and you realize that that beautiful smell came from the person that just walked by? Perfume. It's been around for thousands of years. The old days of frankincense and myrrh, lilac and lavender, and we can't get enough of it. Many would believe that we have enough perfume circulating in our societies. However, when you really look at things, the perfume industry has room for more. Some people like perfume, colognes, body sprays, perfume oils, and others. Actually, we put perfume in everything. We get used to certain fragrances coming from our laundry detergents, from our body lotions and shampoos. It's everywhere. What many of us don't realize, though, is that there are many people who crave for even more. We're constantly looking for something that smells different and new. What I'm trying to say is that the perfume market is still open, and people are looking for less toxic perfumes. They want the more naturally scented perfumes, be it men's colognes or women's perfumes and colognes, even baby perfumes and colognes. There's just so much space to create. So why not explore deeper into the perfume business? It's not as hard as you may think. First, come up with a name for your perfume. Some people name perfumes after people they love, maybe their mothers or daughters, or a country they enjoyed. Or just maybe they come up with a name that doesn't really have a meaning. They do the research, and they decide to use it because it just sounds cool. Number 2, you can contact fragrance companies and ask them to send you small samples of various fragrances. Just know that there are thousands and thousands of beautiful fragrances. You can decide to use specific recipes of scientifically proven mixtures, or you can just wing it and follow your nose. After you've chosen your fragrances, then you want to create a mixing station made up of measuring devices, glass mixing containers, covers, as well as storage for your perfume bases, according to what was found as a part of the recipe. Of course, stirring utensils and small glass bottles that you store your fragrances in order to allow them to rest. There's not much of a rule here. Some people let their fragrances rest for years, months, or weeks. You do it your way. Enjoy the experience of mixing and creating your fragrances. Trust your sense of smell. Watch the market. Some people like citrusy smells, fresh flower smells, woodsy smells, and the list goes on. Just take time to figure out what works. Let your friends and family try it. See what they think. After you've chosen that, then it's time for bottling and packaging. There are many companies that sell perfume bottles and perfume tops, and there are many companies that will create and design one for you. It's all your call. And you market it. You've got social media, you've got magazines, you can open a store or a stand in the middle of a mall. You could also mail samples to people that are interested in your products. You can set up sample stations anywhere and just allow many people to get a whiff of your original wonderful colognes or perfumes. Push your brand. Never give up. Make it happen. Packaging is great. You need a bottle that normally comes in a beautiful box. And to make it look really sophisticated, you can put it in a beautiful bag as well. You can also create soaps, candles, shower gels, body creams, and shampoos, all from the same fragrance. You could also make them into natural air fresheners. It's still an open market. There are many chances to succeed. Have fun creating something that makes people smile and enjoy. And just to think that it all came from you. Continue your recipes. Grow your recipes through mixing various combinations of fragrances. There's a good chance you'll get good at it. And after time, people will be lining up and bursting the internet, just trying to get their hands on your rendition. of what you think the fragrance of life smells like. The golden rule for today is flowers make lovely scents and splendid memories. I hope you enjoyed this sweet talk here at Money Moves. And we hope you also enjoy great profits from your delightful creations. And thank you for visiting us at Money Moves.
So, remember to subscribe, go down to the comment box, and let us know that you're a subscriber blesser. At that point, your name could be chosen, and you can keep entering the same way, week after week, and subscribers could be giving to your GoFundMe if you're chosen for that week. So, be about it. Click on any of our Subscriber Blessers videos, and you'll find a new Money Moves at the end of each one. Be sure to like and subscribe for a new Money Moves every week. Thanks for supporting our channel with your donations. We can keep it coming. See you next time on Subscriber Blessers.